Hello everyone, this is Cyril from the IT Bros. This demo explains how to manage NTFS permissions on files and folders in Windows from the command line using the built-in iCACLS command. We'll demonstrate how to check permissions, grant or revoke access, and reset permissions on file servers and shares without using the Windows File Explorer graphical interface. So, I created a DOCs folder and want to assign permissions to it for two domain security groups. Users from the first group require read-only access to this folder, while those from the second group need read and write permissions. Now I will configure NTFS permissions on folders from the CLI using the iCACLS command and demonstrate how these changes are reflected in the folder properties in the graphical interface of File Explorer. First, let's view the folder's current access control list. The folder has the default Windows NTFS permissions. Administrators and the system have full access to the folder, while users only have read and execute permissions. Use the grant parameter to assign the desired security group permissions to the folder. I will grant the first group read and execute permissions R and X. The second security group will also be granted write permission option W. In File Explorer, check the folder properties to see if the NTFS permissions have changed. The Save option exports the current access permissions for all the files and folders in a directory to a plain text file. If you need to delete a principal from a folder's access list, use the Remove option. Let's remove one of the security groups from the folder's access control list. If you want to reset the current permissions on a directory to the permissions that were inherited from the parent directory, use the Reset option. As shown, the access list has been cleared and restored to its original settings. If you wish, add the Restore option to return the NTFS permissions of a folder and its subobjects to their previous values, which are stored in a text file containing the permissions backup. That's all. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more tips. Have a nice day.